In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. If you've ever needed to record a macro, design a form with checkboxes and text fields, or work with XML mapping and add-ins, the Developer tab is where all of those advanced tools live. It's not visible by default, but turning it on only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening Microsoft Word. You can open any existing document or simply start with a blank page. The steps are exactly the same either way. Next, head to the File menu in the top left corner of the Word window. This opens the Backstage view where you manage settings and preferences. Look down the left-hand sidebar and select Options at the very bottom. That brings up the Word Options dialog, which is where most of the program's customization happens. In the Word Options dialog, choose Customize ribbon from the menu on the left. You'll now see two main panels. On the right is a list labeled Main Tabs, which represents the tabs that appear across the top of your Word window. This is where we'll make the change. In the Main Tabs list, find Developer and check the box next to it. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're looking at the Main Tab section rather than a custom group. Once the Developer box is checked, click OK to apply and close the dialog. Back in Word, look along the top of the window. The Developer tab should now be visible, typically just to the right of the View tab. If your Word window is very narrow, tabs can collapse into an overflow menu. So try maximizing the window to see the full ribbon. If the ribbon itself is minimized, click the small arrow in the top right corner to expand it. With the Developer tab enabled, you now have quick access to powerful tools. This includes recording and running macros, opening the Visual Basic Editor, inserting form controls like checkboxes, text fields, and drop-down lists, working with XML commands and content controls, and managing add-ins. A quick tip on macros. Because they can contain code, only run macros from sources you trust. If your organization manages add-ins or policies, some features may be restricted by your administrator. That's all there is to it. Open Word, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, check Developer, and click OK. Now you're ready to build interactive forms, automate repetitive tasks, and tap into Word's more advanced capabilities whenever you need them.